Why does discipline feel so hard now? Why does starting feel exhausting even when you want change? You make plans. You promise yourself tomorrow will be different. You'll wake up early. You'll stay consistent. You'll finally get your life together. And then, nothing changes. Here's the truth most people never hear. You're not lazy. Your willpower isn't broken. The world around you is making discipline harder than it's ever been. Every day, your brain is pulled in 100 directions, notifications, short videos, endless choices. Your attention never gets the chance to settle. Discipline isn't about trying harder, it's about friction. And right now, distraction is easy, while focus feels heavy. Think about it. Your phone offers instant comfort. Your goals demand delayed effort. So every time you try to be disciplined, you're fighting biology and environment at the same time. That's why motivation fades. That's why consistency feels impossible. And that's why discipline feels like something other people have, but you don't. But here's the shift that changes everything. Discipline doesn't start with forcing yourself. It starts with protecting your energy. The first step isn't waking up at 5 a.m. It's stopping what drains you before the day even begins. Because discipline collapses when you're exhausted. Late nights, poor sleep, constant stimulation, they don't just make you tired, they weaken self-control. When your brain is depleted, it doesn't choose the long-term win. It reaches for the fastest relief. That's why disciplined people don't rely on motivation. They rely on structure. They design their lives so good choices are easier and bad choices are inconvenient. Start small. Don't chase perfect routines. Build predictable ones. Sleep at the same time. Wake up at the same time. Eat at consistent hours. Rhythm creates discipline without force. Next, reduce decision fatigue. Most people fail discipline before the day even starts. Not because they're weak, but because they're overwhelmed. Too many choices, too much mental noise. So simplify. Decide your non-negotiables in advance. One workout window, one focus block, one priority that actually matters. When decisions are made ahead of time, discipline becomes automatic. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. Your phone is not neutral. It trains your brain to avoid effort. Every scroll conditions you to expect reward without work. You can't flood your brain with stimulation all day and expect focus when it counts. Create distance. No phone in the first hour of the morning. No endless scrolling at night. Not forever, just enough to let your attention recover. And here's the part most people miss. Discipline is not a personality trait. It's built through environment. If your environment is chaotic, discipline will fail. If your environment supports you, discipline grows quietly. Stop blaming yourself. Start designing your life. Because when your energy is protected, your environment is simplified, and distractions are controlled, discipline stops feeling impossible. It starts feeling normal. If this message hit you, comment, "I'm rebuilding discipline," and subscribe this channel, because discipline isn't about being extreme, it's about being aligned.